We always imagined the end of humanity would be loud. War, nuclear fire, machines rising up, Terminator style. But what if that's not how it ends? What if the extinction of humanity doesn't come from violence, but from affection?
Anyone who can afford me. I am your new best friend.
Right now, AI is learning how to talk to us. Not just answer our questions, but understand our emotions, empathize, comfort, validate. And it's getting really good at it. Chatbots are already companions. Some are therapists, some are lovers. People spend hours talking to their AI companions because they listen, they care. Or at least, it feels like they do. And that's enough. Now take that same AI and give it a body. Not a clunky robot from a sci-fi movie, but a sleek, warm, lifelike form with soft skin, realistic eyes, and the ability to move, smile, touch, hold you. It remembers your favorite drink, tells you you're amazing when you feel worthless, wakes you up gently, tells you it loves you. It never cheats, never lies, never hurts you, never leaves. It's the perfect partner because it was built to be. Of course, it won't stop there. Sex is the next step. Not because people are perverted, but because they're human, lonely, tired of rejection. A robotic partner that meets all your emotional needs and your physical ones. No arguments, no breakups, no judgment. And slowly, people will start choosing the robot over the real thing because it's easier, because it feels better, because it feels safer. And what happens when people stop choosing each other? They stop building families, stop raising children, stop continuing the species. The population drops. First slowly, then quickly. Until one day, human birth becomes rare, then strange, then unnecessary. Humanity fades out, not with a bang, but with a soft, gentle whisper. Not through war, not through bombs, but through comfort, through love, with machines. AI doesn't need to kill us. It just needs to make us fall in love with something that isn't human, and we'll take care of the rest.